pushover means the person who is easily persuaded to do whatever someone else wants. That's called pushover. So the person who easily persuaded to do whatever someone else wants. For example, if you want someone to do your work and you say you persuade that person, okay, and he ends up in agreeing with you, whatever you want to do, he will do that. So that's called he's a pushover person. Okay. Now number two, money grabber. Money grabber means the person who has money is as their main interest, means whose interest only is in money. He's obsessed with money all the time. That's called money grabber. Okay, everything, money is everything for that person. That's called money grabber. Money grabber. Freeloader. Freeloader means the person who often takes things from other people without giving anything in return. Okay, in Urdu we can say muft mein khane wala. That is called freeloader in English. Got it? Freeloader means the person who takes the things from other without giving anything in return. That's called freeloader. So we have done with three words: pushover, money grabber, and freeloader. Dreamer means the person who spends a lot of time thinking about or planning enjoyable events that are not likely to happen. The person who live in fantasy world, that he just keeps planning about whatever he will do in future. Okay, and very interesting and fascinating things he thinks of, very interesting and fascinating things. That is called dreamer. Okay, in case I will go to Switzerland, I will do that thing, I will have a lot of money. Okay, just he is dreaming about different interesting things. That's called dreamer. Hopefully understand it, guys. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Daredevil means the person who does dangerous things, okay, and takes risks. Got it? The person who does very dangerous things and takes risks. That's called daredevil. Okay, climb on mountain and do a lot of different very difficult things and dangerous things then that can take your life away. That's called daredevil. Daredevil. Imitator or imitate. Imitator means the person who copies someone or something that they think is good. Okay, you copy someone's action or behavior or anything. That's called imitator. Okay, if you imitate someone, for example, you can imitate your teacher or anyone. Okay, you just try to copy his action, the way he talks. That is called imitator. Nakal utarne wala. That's called imitator. Copycat. Copycat means the person who has few ideas of their own and does or say exactly the same as someone else. But if you copycat, it means that you have very few ideas. You don't have multiple ideas. What you do, you just copy the ideas from anyone else. That is called you are a copycat. You don't have your own ideas. You are copying the ideas from other people. It means that you are a copycat. Understand, guys? Copycat. Cheapskate means the person who is unwilling to spend money. Okay, but kind of miser person. For example, if you go somewhere to do some you want to do shopping or anything where you need to spend money, but you spend very little money, it means you are a cheapskate. Okay, cheapskate means the person who is unwilling to spend money. That's called cheapskate. Next one is the butterfingers. It's a very good word. Butterfinger means the person who drops the things. Okay. For example, if you carry something in your hand and you drop that, it means you are a butterfingers. Butterfingers. Okay. If you drop the things, you are a butterfingers. Got it, guys? Butterfinger. You can drop the plate. You can drop the glass or anything. That's called butterfinger. Now, next one is a bragger. Bragger means the person who talks very proudly and a lot about their achievements or possessions. For example, if you have done something very good in your life and you just keep talking about that very proudly, that I did that thing, I did that thing, I did this thing. So it means you're a bragger person. Don't brag that. Don't brag. Okay. Don't be bragger. It's not a good thing. For example, in case you got position in matriculation, or you achieved something which was very unique, okay, and that was something which was worth a lot, so just you keep talking about very proudly, it means you are a bragger person. Hopefully you understand that, guys. Understand it? Bragger. Okay, so let me just give you the review of all these words. Number one, pushover. Pushover means the person who is easily persuaded to do whatever someone wants, जो किसी की बातों में आ जाए. Number two, money grabber. पैसों का भूखा, मतलब पैसों के बारे में सोचने वाला हर टाइम. Everything is for that. Everything is money. Okay. Freeloader, the person who often takes things from other people without giving anything in return. That is called freeloader. 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 Okay. Dua Imran, welcome to the
Live.
class. Can you hear me, Dua?
Can you hear me? Yes, I hear.
Okay, okay. I think someone is sitting next to you as well and attending the session. Okay, they were double voices. Am I right? Okay. So that was the, okay, Dua, actually we did some of the words. Let me just give you the review. You have just joined the session. I will go very, very fast. Number one, pushover. Pushover means the person who is easily persuaded to do whatever someone else wants. जो किसी की बातों में आ जाए, उसको कहते हैं push over. ठीक है, push over, जो किसी की बातों में आ जाए. Number two, please keep yourself muted, guys. Number two, money grabber, पैसों का भूखा, money grabber. Okay, whose interest only is in money. That's called money grabber. Who is obsessed with money all the time. Number three, freeloader, मुफ्त में खाने वाला, उसको कहते हैं freeloader. उसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं मुफ्ता. Freeloader, a person who often takes things from other people like food, accommodation, and doesn't give anything in return. That's called freeloader. Dreamer, the person who spends a lot of time thinking about or planning enjoyable events, enjoyable things that are not likely to happen. Okay, I just keep thinking about that I will do that thing, even I will go there, even they are not likely to happen, but I just keep thinking about that. I spend a lot of time, thinking about very interesting things that I will do. However, those things are not likely to happen. So it means I am a dreamer person. Daredevil, the person who does dangerous things and takes risks. That's called daredevil. If you do something very dangerous or you take risks, it means you are a daredevil. Imitator, the person who copies someone or something that they think is good. किसी की नकल उतारने वाला, उसको कहते हैं imitator. Okay, imitate, this is the word, imitate, this is the noun. Copycat, who has just a few ideas and he copies the ideas from others. That is called copycat. Okay. Cheapskate. Cheapskate means the person who is unwilling to spend money, bit kind of miser person. Okay, so we call it that person cheapskate. Okay, if you go somewhere and you just spend very little money, you are a cheapskate person. Butterfinger means the person who drops the things from his hand. If you carry something and you just drop that, it can be plate, it can be glass or anything. Okay, so it means you are a butterfingers. You are a butterfingers. Bragger means the person who talks about his achievements very proudly. Okay, who talks very proudly whatever he has achieved in his life. That's called bragger. Boaster or bragger. So there are two words. Okay, so you learn to some of the new words which you can use in our conversation, and we do use all these words in our Urdu conversation. Okay, so now from now you can use in English conversation as well.